Hello, good day. Yeah, I wanna show how the play button grayed out. This is Dtube homepage. Let me refresh it to play a new video. Yeah, let me refresh it. It's loading. Yeah, it has finished loading. So let me just select any random video to play. Let me choose this vegan story video too. The one, yeah, this one. The one is top right. Yeah, this vegan story video too. Let me try to watch the video. This vegan story. I click it. It's loading. It's finished loading. Look at it. I'm unable to play this video because the play button is grayed out. Look at it. But I can subscribe, I can like or unlike. I can take away my votes. I can like it. I can dislike it. But the play button is grayed out. Look at it. Could not vote. Look at the option. Look at it. So I also tried to watch my own video I uploaded hours ago. Let me go to my channel. Yeah, this is my channel. I tried to watch the video I uploaded 2 hours ago, but still the same thing. The errors is persist. Let me click it. Look at it. The play button still grayed out here. See, so that's what I'm trying to say. I want the developer to fix this up so we can be able to play video on Dtube. Thank you.